Hey guys, today I'll be showing how you can activate curls on your natural short hair. My hair is dry, so I'll start by spraying some water on my hair. After spraying the water, I'm going to massage the water into the hair. Then I go in with a leave-in conditioner. For this tutorial, I'm using Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I'm going to rub this leave-in conditioner and make sure it goes round all my hair. So the next step is to go in with gel. I'm using Eco Styling gel for this tutorial. I'm going to take a considerable amount and rub it on my hair. Then I go ahead to use my palm to roll my hair. I'll keep on applying gel and rolling the hair with my palm till my hair starts forming curls. Gradually, as I roll with my palm, the hair starts forming its curls. So you can use both hands. If one hand starts aching, you use the other one. Or you don't need to roll it rigorously. You just need to roll with your palm gently. At this point, I was satisfied with the curl that was formed, so I went ahead to lay my edges. Yeah, can you see the transformation? It's very easy to do, just water, leave-in conditioner, and the gel of your choice. I hope you liked this tutorial and you enjoyed it and you were able to learn how to activate curls on your hair. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.